So I kind of made so I found a TikTok from YouTube by TaylorT. The video was labeled as TikTok art hacks. So I did some of the hacks, and you can see it on my IBIS Paint collection. And so I'm going to put the lip here. I actually make this on my IBIS Paint following a tutorial. From TikTok anyway. Damn, you really do get thick though. Wait, we gotta put some eyelashes. We gotta make her have a makeover. We gotta have a make. Girl! Wait, I'm recording. Wait. I'm recording. Wait, what the? My pizza just turned off.
Yes. Florida trash idiots. No, that is very true. Florida has its own place. As most people, I can agree this is a very factual statement. I trained this chicken to talk. Let's see. What's a male deer? How much is 200 pennies? This is stupid. It gets better. It gets way better, Susan. When I suddenly forgot a word in my native language, I know it in English. See, that's why you don't.